Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to do the continuation of the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Let us start the exercise. First question. Find three numbers in AP whose sum is 24 and whose product is 440. Let the three numbers be a minus d, a and a plus d. Always, when the sum of three consecutive terms of an AP is given, we take the term as a minus d, a and a plus d. Here, whose sum is given as 24. Therefore, a minus d plus a plus d equal to 24. Minus d and plus d cancel. 3a is equal to 24. Therefore, a is equal to 24 divided by 3 equal to 8. Also, given that whose product is 440. That is a minus d into a plus d equal to 440. That is a into, a minus d into a plus d is equal to a square minus d square. That is a into a square minus d square equal to 440. You know the value of a. 8 into 8 square minus d square equal to 440. 8 into 64 minus d square equal to 440. 64 minus d square is equal to 440 divided by 8, that is equal to 55. Therefore, d square is equal to 64 minus 55 equal to 9. Therefore, d is equal to square root of 9, that is equal to plus or minus 3. When d is equal to 3, the numbers be a minus d, a and a plus d, that is 8 minus 3, 8 and 8 plus 3. That is 5, 8 and 11. When d is equal to minus 3, the numbers be 8 minus minus 3, 8, 8 plus minus 3. That is 11, 8 and 5. Hence, the required numbers are 5, 8, 11 or 11, 8 and 5. Next question. The angles of a quadrilateral are in AP with common difference 20 degree. Find its angles. Let the angles of a quadrilateral are a plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 3d. Given that the common difference is equal to 20 degree, that is d is equal to 20 degree. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That is a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d equal to 360 degree. That is 4a plus 6d equal to 360 degree. 4a plus 6 into 20 degree is equal to 360 degree. 4a plus 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. That is 4a is equal to 360 minus 120 degree. That is equal to 240 degree. Therefore, a is equal to 240 divided by 4. That is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, the required angles are 60 degree, 80 degree, 100 degree and 120 degree. Next question. Divide 96 into 4 parts which are in AP and the ratio between product of their means to Product of their extremes is 15:7. The given number be 96. Let its four parts be A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Therefore, A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D equal to 96. That is 4A plus 6D equal to 96. Take out the common term. 2A plus 3D equal to 48. That is equation number 1. Also it is given that ratio of their product of means to product of their extremes is equal to 15:7. That is product of means middle two terms and product of extreme means extreme two terms. That is A plus D into A plus 2D is to A into A plus 3D equal to 15:7. Open the bracket. A square plus 2AD plus AD plus 2D square divided by A square plus 3AD equal to 15/7. That is A square plus 3AD plus 2D square divided by A square plus 3AD equal to 15/7. Cross multiplication. 15A square plus 45AD equal to 7A square plus 21AD plus 14D square. Bring all the terms to the left side and make it right side equal to 0. 15A square plus 45AD minus 7A square minus 21AD minus 14D square equal to 0. That is 8A square plus 24AD minus 14D square equal to 0. Take out the common term. 4A square plus 12AD minus 7D square equal to 0. Splitting the middle term here. Sum of two numbers is 12 and their product is 28. So the numbers are plus 14 and minus 2. So splitting this as 4A square plus 14AD minus 2AD minus 7D square equal to 0. Taking the common term. 2A into 2A plus 7D minus D into 2A plus 7D equal to 0. That is 2A plus 7D into 2A minus D equal to 0. Which means either 2A plus 7D equal to 0, then 2A is equal to minus 7D, or 2A minus D equal to 0, then 2A is equal to D. Substituting the value of 2A is equal to D in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 2A plus 3D is equal to 48. That is D plus 3D is equal to 48. 4D is equal to 48. Therefore, D is equal to 48 divided by 4 equal to 12. 2A is equal to D. That is 2A is equal to 12. Therefore, A is equal to 6. When A is equal to 6 and D is equal to 12, therefore, the required parts are 6, 18, 30 and 42. That is putting the value of A and D in A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Now, when A is equal to minus 7D by 2 or 2A is equal to minus 7D. From 1, you know 2a plus 3d is equal to 48. Instead of 2a you can write minus 7d plus 3d is equal to 48. Minus 4d is equal to 48. Therefore, d is equal to minus 12. 2a is equal to minus 7d. That is 2a is equal to minus 7 into minus 12. That is equal to 84. Therefore, a is equal to 84 divided by 2 is equal to 42. When a is equal to 42 and d is equal to minus 12, therefore the required parts are 42, 30, 18 and 6. That is putting the value of a and d in a plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 3d. So I hope this exercise was clear to you all. Practice the questions. Thank you.